this is your living room space, but this is where you get your couch setup space. This is your very beautiful and spacious kitchen. Is your third bedroom, which is the second master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Meridian Riverside, which is located near Sopan Bagh Road, Balewadi High Street, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by Mantra and Majestic Landmarks, as this is a joint venture. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, where behind me is the sales office of the project, and these are the surroundings of the project. The land parcel of this project is located behind the sales office. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. The Meridian Riverside will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel which will be having 7 towers, in which you will be getting 3 basement plus ground plus podium, in which 4 towers will be having 18 floors and the remaining 3 will be having 27 floors, in which you will be getting 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, telling you about the location of this project. The Meridian Riverside is located near Sopan Bagh Road, Balewadi High Street, Balewadi, Pune. As you can see, behind me is the entrance that leads you to the sales office, and in front of the entrance of the sales office is the Sopan Bagh Road, which from the left side connects you to Balewadi High Street. Now, telling you about the project's connectivity, DMart Baner, which is within 2.3 kilometers away, Jupiter Hospital, which is 3.2 kilometers away, and Radha Chowk, which is 3.3 kilometers away. Now, let us discuss the amenities that this project provides you with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities, in which you will be getting kids play area, multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, a pet park, Miyawaki forest, banquet zone, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a very spacious and luxurious 3 BHK duplex, which has 1740 square feet carpet area. So, this is your entrance, where just at the door you get a digital door lock for security purposes, and then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now, let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is your living room space, where you get a 22 feet tall living room. And then this is your living room space, but this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. Your balcony also has 22 feet tall ceiling. Now, let us check out the dining space. So this is your very beautiful dining space, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, let us check out the common washroom that you get here just behind your dining space, where this is where you get a common wash basin, and this is where you get your common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is your very beautiful and spacious kitchen, where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to it and a dry balcony attached to it for setting up your washing machine and utilities, and a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, let us check out our first bedroom of this flat. So this is your very spacious first master bedroom of this flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a wall-to-wall attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you get a huge wardrobe setup space and dressing table setup space here. You also get an attached master washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. So this is your second bedroom of the flat, which is the kids bedroom, but this is where you get your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now before we check out our third bedroom of this flat, which is the second master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of a project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today and register now for free through www.housey.com. Now let us check out the third bedroom. But before we do that, I also have to mention about the second common washroom that you get here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your third bedroom, which is the second master bedroom of this flat, where you get a huge and very spacious walking space, and then you get your bed setup space here, and you also get a wall-to-wall attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you get a very huge space for your wardrobe setup. You also get an attached master washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the very spacious and luxurious 3 BHK duplex, which is by Meridian Riverside and is located near Sopanbag Road, Balewadi High Street, Balewadi Road, and developed by Mantra and Majestic Landmarks. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.